Join me as I bring Optimus Prime to life. This video showcases how easy and fun it is to build a snap-on model kit of the iconic Transformer. A thoughtful Christmas gift from my son. This kit required no glue, no tools, and no prep. Perfect for beginners and pros alike.
You ain't never seen nothing like this. I'm about to blow your mind with a twist. Hit the lights, here I go, go, go. I make the rules, I run the show.
Watch as I assemble the model in just 10 minutes and use a green screen to make Optimus Prime come alive on screen. Whether you're a Transformers fan or a hobbyist looking for your next project, this video is for you.
So what if I'm an amateur model builder? Less time building and more time playing.
New era.
And folks, this is how I play with my toys. Pure imagination.
They broke into the front lines!
I've lost contact with the capital!
Too many of them! Turn back! Finish them!
Where's B-127?
Sorry I'm late. Hit a little traffic. Optimus.
Every sweat, blood and tear, every last breath. We put up a fight until the last man, until the last day, until our last dance. We are here giving everything and more. To seize the opportunity, you know that we will score. Every day is dedication. I just wake up and I'm ready. Yeah, I'm practicing my patience. Ain't no